There's Wyatt. To the fence. Oh, up to his king of the pile. Oh, there we go. Such a cute boy. Dominic. Right there. Still sniffing every inch of his new field. Hey, bud. What do you think? Got more grass? Got a buddy? I know. It's great, isn't it? Kruger. Lots of sirens. Left his halter on because he usually has a blanket on, so I'll have to put his blanket on, you know, after he checks out his new digs. It's cold outside. Such a pretty boy. Hey, bud. Coming over?